Meet the JAECOO E5, JAECOO's first pure electric vehicle, and it's come out swinging. The E5 is a good looking car, clean, modern and more refined than you might expect at this price point. At 4.38 metres, it's compact, but it wears its size well. That waterfall grille everyone loved on the JAECOO 7? Gone. In its place is a cleaner, more aerodynamic front end that feels both premium and fresh. Sharp LED lighting front and rear leaves an impression from both ends, and hidden wipers keep everything neat and uncluttered. Step inside and the cabin feels genuinely premium, minimalist, clean and thoughtfully designed, not just stripped back for the sake of it. A 13.2-inch infotainment screen dominates the dashboard, though it's tilted at a steep angle that leads to craning your neck slightly in use. The panoramic roof floods the cabin with light. The Sony 8-speaker sound system is a treat, and heated and ventilated seats come as standard on the luxury trim. There are 35 storage spaces dotted around the cabin, and the boot comes in at a generous 480 litres. But here's where it gets interesting. Luxury trim gets a full pet ecosystem. Scratch-resistant upholstery, pet mode, cargo liner, non-slip water bowl, foldable pet bed, and a pet harness set. Tesla has pet mode. JAECOO takes it to another level entirely. Put your foot down and the JAECOO E5 is as smooth as butter. 207 PS gives it more punch than most rivals in this class, and you genuinely feel it. Push too hard though and it will scrabble for traction. Around town the ride is compliant and comfortable, soaking up bumps with ease. At higher speeds it gets a little jittery and road noise is more noticeable than you'd expect. It's not trying to be a sports car, but as an everyday electric compact SUV it's a genuinely capable and comfortable drive. But is the JAECOO E5 worth the hype? At this price, the value proposition is genuinely hard to argue with. 248 miles of range, 80 kilowatt DC fast charging with a 30 to 80% top up in around 27 minutes, and a kit list that shames cars costing considerably more. What's not to love? Luxury trim starts at £30,505, and for that money, rivals simply can't compete. The road noise and motorway refinement are the biggest weaknesses, but for this price, neither are deal breakers. With a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty, JAECOO is making a serious statement. What do you think? Drop a comment below.